Grand Rising citizens, this is the Neo Tokyo News broadcast. Suzu and gang make a return to start a new exchange called GTX. Flower 83 and Doc Moblin bring us some valuable updates from the markets. NGMI Lab has some announcements that need your attention. Unfreezing the game, making devs' lives much easier, and C+ Charge raising $300,000. This is your weekly recap for all your crypto, gaming, metaverse, and NFT affairs, live from the heart of the Citadel. And here's what's making news. Greetings everybody and welcome to file number 32 of the Neo Tokyo News broadcast. I am your host, Outer Citizen Shamsi number 769, bringing you the news powered by the Neo Tokyo News team. Music brought to you by the team at Music Mainnet, and video production is obviously brought to you by Bad Future. If you enjoy what we do and want to support us, please follow us on Twitter at Neo Tokyo News, linked right below the like button, and all donations can be made at ntnews.eth, which is our Ethereum wallet. So, first up, Doc Moblin's This Week in Crypto. Doc shared a tweet from Defilgnas, I don't know how to pronounce that, where they outlined that the Shiba Inu meme coin is launching its own layer 2 called Shibarium, I don't know how to say it, but at a $6.2 billion market cap, this will be the second largest layer 2 solution. That's not all, they are also building their own DEX, NFTs, and metaverse, and also a stablecoin. Now, this is not financial advice, but I would advise against putting your life savings in this ecosystem because it has the name Shiba or the idea of a meme attached to it. Not financial advice. Some more positive news from the week was that Beeple, the big ticket NFT artist, announced the grand opening of Beeple Studios on March 11th in Charleston, where art enthusiasts and degens can get together to reminisce about the times where royalties paid the bills and art was actually interesting, aka profitable. These aren't my words, these are the degens. And now, Giancarlo also tweeted about the shambles that is Coinbase NFT platform, where they outlined that Coinbase NFT did a whopping $700 in trading volume on the 20th of Jan, which is less than half of a crypto dick butt. Adoption at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. NFT Tuesday from Flower 83 says that the bulls are back in town, but why is my NFT portfolio down? So, the crypto markets pumped hard this week with prices shooting from mid to low 20k to mid $23,000, but our beloved NFT market took a tumble down, possibly as a result of profit taking or just gamblers being bad at gambling. Flower shows us that the projects like Mutant Hound Collars or Mutant Ape Yacht Club were down 21 and 17% respectively, and projects like Azuki being down nearly 8%. Although I'm sure the 20% pump on Ethereum did offset some of those losses. Flower also shared another bite of the great cake of prediction that he bakes every Tuesday, where OpenSea overtook Blur.io due to what Flower earlier mentioned was probably going to be the airdrop date approaching and wash trades becoming less frequent. Brownie points for another successful call. That's the second one after Steve Aoki. Actually, cake point seems more appropriate because Steve Aoki likes to chuck cakes at his audience, but anyway. Since shaving his beard wasn't enough, Phoenix Down's next move is to rip out all of his hair because the so-called one normal day in crypto that he's been asking for about a decade now has still not arrived and probably never will, and it's kinda driving him crazy. What should be your initial response when you see co-founders of the bankrupt hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital returning to the surface of Web3, looking to raise $25 million in seed investments? That's right. Go rip your beard off. The Fantastic Four, Suzu, Kyle Davies, Mark Lam, and Sudhi Arumugam, co-founders of the exchange CoinFlex, are looking to raise $25 million to launch a new exchange called GTX, which is aimed to allow users to trade crypto, stocks, and debt claims on bankrupt companies like FTX. Now, the community, apart from being barefaced and bald now, has shown some well-warranted skepticism about the new venture. This audacity to go bankrupt in July 2022 in a very, very shady way and try to bounce back in January 2023 can't even be mustered by watching Gary Vee's entire catalog on YouTube, so you make of this establishment what you will. Now, please don't leave us. We have more news from Coco, Phoenix Down, and this guy called Shamsi right after this intermission. Alright everybody, you know the drill. You've heard me say this 32 times. If you like what you hear, and if you like what the Neo Tokyo News team does for you, our community, then please like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells, and most importantly, all donations are to be sent to ntnews.eth. That's our Ethereum wallet at ntnews.eth. Our team of writers, creators, video producers, editors, advisors, brainstormers, visionaries, and Phoenix Down are working very, very hard to bring us the best news, timely news, right to your doorstep. All you have to do is support the news team at ntnews.eth by sending us some of your beloved Ethereum, USDC, or even some ENS domains. Keep a close eye out on our Twitter. We've got some very cool developments coming forward. NGMI Lab, our go-to place for research and ahead of the curve alpha, is dropping some major announcements and updates. They want to update the community on their exclusive partnership with Spectre VC to offer an exclusive 1-year gold membership to all Spectre members. If you want more information, there is a nice little AMA that you can listen to, linked in the article right below the like button. But there's more. NGMI has also updated their website with new reports on Xborg, Myria, and Civitas. Xborg and Myria are two promising Web3 game projects that are tackling big problems in play-to-earn gaming around ecosystem rewards, playability, and scalability. Civitas is an early-stage game with a 4-times open-world city-building MMO and an AR component too, a tech which we still don't see too often with Web3 games being harnessed to its full potential. For proper details into the 3 promising projects on the lineup, check out the full report on NGMI's beautiful website. And one more thing, the NGMI Discord is asking for your member votes on a feature update on the website. So you're encouraged to join the conversation and have your voice heard as one from the community. And if you're not a member of NGMI, you might want to join if you're interested in making it. And here's the final 2 stories of the week. First up, Phoenix Down thinks that being a builder is more than just a meme in Neo-Tokyo neighborhood. So, outer citizens Maxax and Hey Masik, I'm sorry I butchered your name, I do that quite often, co-founders of GameFi toolbox Unfreeze are here to show off their building skills. Unfreeze is on a mission to help game developers build out their game faster and cheaper on the blockchain of their choice. Maxax mentioned that they want to transform the way devs build on-chain by saving them time and money and eliminating their need for hiring new devs in the process. So, Unfreeze boasts an easy-to-follow game admin panel where devs can create an in-game marketplace for assets, enable micropayments, NFT rentals, mint game-specific collections, offer player versus player betting, and more. The team is fully doxed, and might I add, they do look like they know exactly what they're talking about, not financial advice, and this team is currently in a fundraising phase. If you want to check out the project and get in touch with the team, the article hosts various links to Telegram or Calendly where you can make a booking for a meeting with one of the founders. Yes, direct access to a founder. Welcome to the bear market where serious builders and innovators are right round the corner. Alright, and the last story of the week is not a shill. I repeat, this is not a shill, but I have to say that seeing a concept raise $300,000 that is actually designed to fit into a real world and bring fruits of blockchain development to the mainstream consumers is worth mentioning. So, I stumbled across this company called C+ Charge, who have recently raised $300,000 for their project that aims to solve the following problems. Firstly, in the EV market, there is no access for drivers to carbon credits, lack of unified payment mechanisms exist, price disparities between manufacturers bring forth transparency issues, EV drivers barely get any considerable incentives besides maybe some free parking in busy city areas, and there is a lack of ample charging solutions. To be honest, that'll put you off electric cars, and you haven't even heard my personal opinions yet, but I'll keep those to myself. C+ wants to change these issues and harness the most powerful trend in Web3, and that is giving people ownership of their data. So, your carbon credits are yours. It's the least you deserve for giving up on the sweet V12s that guys like me are gonna pull pull up in. Anyway, with that, C+ is working on faster payment mechanisms, supposed better charging networks, and solutions to the problems mentioned before. I don't know who's behind the project or how deep the development goes, but to see blockchain being conceptualized and worked on in an industry that is far from play to earn or gaming is a cool concept, and definitely one that makes you appreciate the scope of growth in the industry. And that is all for this week's show, everybody. My name is Crypto Shumsey. We have music production brought to you by Music Mainnet and video production brought to you by Bad Future. We hope you enjoyed this broadcast and look forward to serving you day in and day out. And until next time, data streams connecting our minds, tying Neo Tokyo together.